How to file your homestead exemption in Bexar County and other Texas counties. What is a homestead exemption? If you recently bought a home in Texas, congratulations. Now it's time to make sure you're saving as much money as possible on your property taxes. A homestead exemption is a property tax benefit available to Texas homeowners who occupy their home as their primary residence. It reduces the taxable value of your property, which lowers the amount of property tax you owe each year. In other words, right area, you get to keep more of your money while still enjoying your home. For many Texas homeowners, this exemption can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually. Who qualifies for the homestead exemption in Texas? You qualify for a homestead exemption if YW checkmark you own your home as of January 1st of the tax year. YW checkmark the property is your primary residence, not a rental or vacation home. YW checkmark you have a Texas driver's license or ID that matches the home's address. Tip: even if you bought your home after January 1st, you can still file once you move in. The exemption will apply the following year. Spiral calendar: when and how to file your homestead exemption. The good news: filing is free and simple. You never need to pay a third party to file it for you. Here's how to file your homestead exemption in Bexar County. And most Texas counties follow the same process. Receipt step by step. How to file your homestead exemption in Bexar County. Go to the Bexar Appraisal District website. See link in description. If you live outside Bexar County, go to your county's Central Appraisal District site. Examples below. Download the Homestead Exemption form. Look for a link titled Homestead Exemption Application or Property Tax Exemption Forms. Complete the application. You'll need to include your name and property address, the legal description of your property found on your deed or closing documents, your Texas driver's license number or state ID, a signature affirming the home is your primary residence. Submit your application. You can submit your completed form by mail to the County Appraisal District, in person at their office, online, if available through your county's portal. Wait for confirmation. Most counties will send you a letter confirming your exemption has been approved. This may take several weeks depending on the season. Money bag: how much can you save? Your savings depend on your home's value and your local tax rate. Here's an example. If your home is valued at $400,000 and your homestead exemption removes $40,000 from that taxable value, you'll only be taxed on $360,000. That could easily mean $800 to $1,200 in annual savings every year you live in the home. Older adult bonus: additional exemptions you might qualify for. In addition to the general homestead exemption, Texas offers extra savings for over 65 exemption, reduces taxes further for senior homeowners. Disabled persons exemption for qualifying individuals. Veterans exemption, property tax relief for disabled veterans and surviving spouses. Be sure to check with your county appraisal district to see what you're eligible for. These exemptions can stack with your regular homestead exemption. Prohibited: watch out for scams. After you close on your home, you may receive letters offering to file your homestead exemption for a fee. Warning: don't fall for it. Filing is completely free, and your local county appraisal district is the only official office that handles it. At ENV Title, we always remind our clients, if someone's asking you to pay to file your homestead, it's a scam. Handshake: how ENV Title helps homeowners. At ENV Title, our work doesn't end when you sign at the closing table. We help our clients understand what comes next, including how to file their homestead exemption, protect against wire fraud, and maintain a clean title record. Our YouTube channel offers quick, easy videos on topics like how to file your homestead exemption, what is title insurance and why you need it, how to read your closing disclosure like a pro, back-end index pointing right. Subscribe today to stay ahead of the curve. ENV Title on YouTube. Checkered flag: final thoughts. Filing your Texas homestead exemption is one of the simplest and smartest things you can do as a homeowner. It's free, it's fast, and it puts money back in your pocket. At ENV Title, we're not just here for the closing. We're your partner for every step of homeownership.